President NASSCOM, Shri R. Chandrasekhar, President Haithia, Shri Ramesh Loganathan, colleagues of the dais. First of all, I would like to tell that the Honorable Minister IT, Shri K.T. Rama Rao, has conveyed his best wishes and total support for this event. As you are aware, Government of Telangana is a sponsor also. However, due to the proceedings of assembly which are underway, he is unable to come today, and he has asked me to attend the program on his behalf. In the opinion of the Telangana government, and I think also NASSCOM, India is ready for a second wave of IT growth. Was led by the IT and ITES companies, which led to major Indian giants like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant. Now I think we are on the threshold of a second wave of IT companies, which will be primarily based in the SMAC space. IoT could be a trigger for bringing about that change. In that second wave, I'm sure all of us will benefit, and as Government of Telangana, we would like Hyderabad to be in the right place so as to be able to propel itself to the top league in India and globally. NASSCOM has been kind supporters of Hyderabad. They have organized, they have agreed, and Government of Telangana and NASSCOM will co-host World Congress on IT in 2018, where all the global companies will be coming to India and to Hyderabad. And our target is, sir, that we would like to work in 2018 so as to be able to show a platform which will give further momentum to the second wave, which I think is coming. One of the key components of our strategy in that second wave has been to promote entrepreneurship and innovation. It is these small companies, these entrepreneurial companies, who become the next giants. We could have a Facebook, we could have an Amazon. So these companies, even if one of these startup companies strikes big, Hyderabad could be the headquarters of a global company. That is what we would like to have. That is our vision. Why we want to go ahead with the biggest incubator here. The biggest incubator is we are already in the process of setting it up. Construction is already underway. Hopefully by June this year, it will be ready and functional. The premier institutes from Hyderabad, IIIT Hyderabad, NALSAR and ISB are the academic partners. Premier businessmen, entrepreneurs from this area, BVR Mohan Reddy, Sashi Reddy, and Tech Mahindra, earlier Satyam, they all are part of the board of this T-Hub. We are now in the process of getting companies, entrepreneurs from Silicon Valley and other parts of the country to join the board. So it will be truly a global board. Our vision is to make Hyderabad a global place. So we are looking for a team which has a global vision, team which can connect to other cities in India and to other cities abroad. So we are very keen to have such type of people with us who can drive this agenda. I'm sure this will materialize soon. We also want to send a message through this forum that all the startups which are coming there, this T-Hub is not simply for just plain startups. You know, even in the life cycle of a startup, you can start with just a few people with an idea. We are talking of companies up till early growth. That is, companies, we are looking at a propel company. So our startups is going to have 800 seats. 400 will be for the beginners. 200 seats, that is approximately 25 companies, will be companies who have already prototyped their product and who are in the process of market development. They will undergo a systematic accelerator program to enable them to bring their ideas to the market in a quicker way. Then we are looking space for something like 20 companies who will be primarily focused, whose market is also set up, who are looking for growth in the early growth phase. So we are looking for startups in all three areas. And I want to send a message through all of you that companies, even in the early growth phase, we would like them to join us. We are going to set up, the Telangana government is in the process of setting up a innovation fund which will fund these companies. So all the people who have good ideas, we challenge them and we invite them, come to us and grow with us. That is the message Government of Telangana would like to convey to all the young, bright and restless minds who are there, who want to make their dough also and who want to grow their businesses. Hyderabad will be the right place for you, and T-Hub will be the place where you can do this. So this message which we have started, we are going to now conduct road shows in Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, reach to all the startups what Hyderabad is, what Hyderabad promises, and we hope that soon Hyderabad will be on the global. My senior, Mr. Chandrasekhar, was Secretary IT when I was Joint Secretary. His guidance is still with us. He is President NASSCOM. He has been very, very helpful to Hyderabad. So I'm very happy to see him here again. Always a pleasure to interact. And I will be listening very keenly to your speech. I thank Haisya Ramesh for inviting me, all the colleagues here. Thank you for your patience. And I would like to, at the end, to again reiterate that the IT Minister wants to again convey his best wishes for this summit, to the Design Summit, to the people, the teams who have presented their ideas, our full support for them so that they can do still better. Thank you.